Hello everyone, this is China K-Size. Today, I will introduce a portable ultrasonic depth meter, KWD-100. The KWD-100 mainly consists of a handheld controller, the KUSW-3 6-depth measuring sensor, connecting cables, and a USB charging cable. The sides of the handheld controller in order are switch, transducer interface, sensor interface, voltage adjustment button. Connect the handheld controller and the sensor. After connecting, power on. Product performance in outdoor field test. We understand your needs.